Sasisian part ngi pedang subhai pi barok syagani ka channel kejungi bat hagani ka video ngin page yagani ka post kebrang slide thamai po Umiam Meghalaya. Subscribe ika channel kejungi bat turn on your notification bell kenamba pinum do iki videos ki bangi upload. Yagani ka post la palai taka ICAR Umiam mentau banai arajar apusau. Kakateng juga ni ka post kada young professional tu. Kelas date lani ka tarik ka bakado ba pilaban samaji ki applications kada arpapratrik banai Jun arajar apusau. Ya kani ka post ka balai ka way ka age limit lani ka kerta ka barido ka day arpoi snam bat ka bahedo ka day sapusan snam ka salary lani ka tulap ka day sapu arajar ka shibanai ba ka educational qualification ka lungkum ni peladiban pendap ya ka post graduation haka agricultural meteorology lani agricultural physics lani atmospheric science lani atmospheric physics lani meteorology lani environmental science lani soil water conservation engineering lani water resource engineering lani hydrology lani ka qualification ka jongpi ka di banlong kumni post graduation haki professional courses kum haka GIS but remote sensing lani geoinformatics but pidi banyo first division lani 60% marks haki ni kita my preference yigitu ki badan ya ka research experience haka modeling crop simulation AI lani ML GIS remote sensing programming language but ki candidates ki badan experience haka spatial climate data dan climate change scenario data handling but modeling kin sa ai preference ki candidates ki belong eligible buku aban apply ya kan ka post phaban send ya ka application form ko jong phi but ro ki documents ki jong phi ki bapila self attest syakani ka email address brp.aicrpam@gmail.com soalani haka appropriate banai Jun arajar apsa yaki candidates ki ba shortlist kita pentip link ba ka email but yaki original documents jengki candidates kinsa verify kam hadir